How to switch between multiple Messenger accounts. Using more than one Messenger account, you can easily switch between them without logging out every time. So here's how to do it. First, open Messenger. Once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now you will see your profile right here. Tap on this profile and you will see the accounts you have logged in right here. If you are logged in, you can also tap on log into another account. If you haven't added it yet, just tap on it and enter the login details and tap on log in. Messenger will save the account for quick switching later. Okay, now go back. You can tap on the account you want to use and you will be instantly logged into that account with no need to re-enter your password unless security settings require it. And that's it. Now you can juggle multiple accounts without the hassle of logging in and out every time. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.